Welcome to my video. So in this video, we're ranking some of the best VS Code themes you should try in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Synthwave 84. We're starting off with Synthwave 84, a retro-futuristic theme inspired by neon colors and synthwave aesthetics. The bold purples, blues, and neon pinks make your code editor look like it came straight out of an 80s arcade game. 2. Dark Horizon. Next up is Dark Horizon, a modern dark theme that balances contrast and color variety. It's easy on the eyes with rich accent colors for syntax highlighting. This makes it a great choice for long coding sessions where you don't want something too flashy but still want a stylish look. 3. Dracula Theme Official. Features a dark background with bright, distinct colors for functions, keywords, and strings. It's consistent, easy to read, and has wide support across different tools and editors, not just VS Code. 4. Night Owl. Night Owl is designed specifically for nighttime coding. It uses softer blues and teals to reduce strain while keeping your syntax clearly visible. If you're someone who codes late into the night, this theme will keep your eyes comfortable without losing readability. 5. Pale Night Theme. Pale Night is a soothing theme with a mix of pastel colors. It's not as intense as Dracula or Synthwave, but it still provides excellent contrast. 6. GitHub Theme. If you love GitHub's clean interface, you'll feel right at home with the GitHub theme. Comes in both light and dark versions, and it's perfect if you want consistency between your GitHub repositories and your coding environment. 7. Tokyo Night. Tokyo Night is inspired by the colors of Tokyo's nightlife. Features deep blues with vibrant purples and pinks that give your code editor a modern cyberpunk vibe. It's one of the most stylish themes and great for developers who want something visually striking. A Monokai Pro. Monokai Pro is the premium evolution of the classic Monokai theme. It offers multiple variations like Filter Machine and Spectrum, giving you options to suit your mood. 9. Field Lights Theme. Field Lights is a unique theme that blends nature-inspired greens, yellows, and earthy tones. It's not as common as the others, but developers who use it often say it feels refreshing and different compared to traditional dark or neon-heavy themes. 10. One Dark Pro. Finally, we have One Dark Pro, one of the most popular VS Code themes of all time. It's based on Atom's iconic One Dark theme and is known for its excellent readability, balanced colors, and clean design. If you're looking for a reliable all-rounder theme, One Dark Pro should be at the top of your list. And that's it. Which app do you use the most in your daily routine? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips and developer tools.